Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Teacher Director. In this video, we are going to discussing about already we completed the introduction part of polynomials. In that concept, we learned about what is a constant, what is a variable, and what is the term, and what is the polynomial. Again, I am going to recall the definitions of definition of polynomial is the combination of many terms but the variable contains non-negative integral power. A constant means a symbol which has a fixed value. Variable means a symbol which takes various values. Term means the combination of constant and variable. Okay, in this we are going to discuss about according to the number of terms in a polynomial. The polynomials are classified into several types. According to the number of terms in an expression, the polynomials are classified as several types. Okay, first one is monomial. Monomial means a polynomial contains only one term. Polynomial contains only one term. Or single variable is also called as a monomial. Single variable is also called as a monomial or single constant. I will explain all those. Single constant is also called as a monomial, but the condition apply here. The variable has non-negative integral power. The variable must and should have non-negative integral power. Non-negative integral power. Okay. Here the definition of monomial means one term. If a polynomial contains one term, it is called as a monomial. If a polynomial contains one term, but the variable contains non-negative integral power, is called as monomial. If a polynomial contains single variable, but the variable has non-negative integral power, is called as a monomial. Third definition: a polynomial contains single constant, but the variable has non-negative integral power, is called as a monomial. Examples for the monomial are, what are the examples is, here the examples are, one term means 2x or 2x square, 4x square or 3x power 4 and so on. This is one term. Term means combination of constant and variable. Term. Single variable means a or x square or y cube or y and so on. Single variable, it means 1 into y cube. This can be written as 1 into x square. This can be written as 1 into a. Okay, therefore single variable examples are this. Single variable is called as a monomial, but the variable has non-negative integral power. And next one, single constant means 2, 3, 4, 100 and so on, whatever it may be. This can be written as 2 into x power 0. This can be written as 3 into x power 0. This can be written as 4 into x power 0. This can be written as 100 into x power 0. Therefore, all these are in the form of one term, single term or single variable or single constant is called as a monomial, but the variable contains non-negative integral power. I already told what about non-negative integral power. Okay, this is the first one. Which one is monomial? Okay, I am going to write a second one. Second one is binomial. Binomial. Mono means single. Binomial. Binomial means if a polynomial contains binomial. If a polynomial contains two terms, if a polynomial contains two terms, but the variable contains non-negative integral power, that may be applicable. If a polynomial contains two terms, for example x plus y, binomial means combination of two terms, but the variable contains non-negative integral power, that may be applicable for all those. For example, x plus y, or x square plus y square, or x cube plus y cube, or and so on, or 2 plus x. This is the combination of two terms. Okay, binomial means combination of two terms, but the variable contains non-negative integral power, that may be applicable for all those. And the next one is trinomial. I am going to write it here. Trinomial. Trinomial means it contains three terms. Polynomial contains three terms. It is called as trinomial. X plus y plus z, or 1 plus x square, or x cube plus x square plus 1. These are the examples. There are three terms are there. Three terms are there. This is called as a trinomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Okay, trinomial. These are the some more examples of monomial, binomial, trinomial, and next one is polynomial. Our chapter name is also polynomial. Combination of many terms. Combination of many terms, but the variable contains non-negative integral power, is called as a polynomial. According to the definition of polynomial, we can conclude a point. Every monomial is a polynomial. Every binomial is a polynomial. Every trinomial is a polynomial. Okay? Every monomial is a polynomial. Every binomial is a polynomial. Every trinomial is a polynomial. This is regarding what are the classifications of polynomial based on the number of terms. Okay, based on the number of terms. And next one, degree. What is the degree of polynomial? Degree. Degree means BSc, BEd, DED. ఇవి కాదు. బీటెక్ అవి కాదు. Degree means degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial means the highest power of the variable in the given. The highest power of the variable in the given polynomial is called as degree. Highest power of the variable. For example, I am going to write, let us say p of x equal to x. P of x means polynomial in x. Polynomial in x. X square plus x plus 1. And other example is p of x equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Another example is p of x equals to x power 4 plus x plus 1. P of y equal to y power 7 plus y power 6 plus y power 8. According to the definition of degree of polynomial, the highest power of the variable the highest power of the variable in the given expression. What is the highest power? Here the power of x is 2. Here the power of x is 1. Here the power of x is 0. There is no x term, we have to put 0. Okay. Here the highest power of the variable is 2. Therefore, the degree of p of x is equals to 2. That can be, we have to write degree of p of x equal to 2. Here the highest power of this polynomial is 3. Therefore, degree of p of x in this case is 3. Here the highest power is 4. Degree equal to 4. Here the highest power is 8. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 8. Degree of polynomial in y in x. This is in y. Degree of this polynomial is 8. Therefore, degree of a polynomial means the highest power of the variable in a given expression is called as degree. Okay. And shall we move to the another topic? Based on degree, again polynomials are classified into several types. Based on degree, again polynomials are divided into several types. Okay, I am going to draw a table here. Please note down. Kindly understand. These are the only introduction part of polynomials. Okay, here degree of a polynomial. Degree, number of terms. Degree, name of the polynomial, and example, and the number of terms. This is very, very, very important for your upcoming exams. Okay, if the degree of polynomial is 1, shall we start from the 0? If the degree of polynomial is 0, then it is called as constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. If the degree of polynomial is 0, then it is called as constant polynomial. Example is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whatever it may be, single number is given. What type of that polynomial is? Constant polynomial. Okay, number of terms 1. Only single term is there. Pi is also a constant. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is called as linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Example, it is in the form of ax plus b, comma, a is not equals to 0. Here, another example is 2x plus 3, 4x plus 2. Okay, whatever it may be. Number of terms here 1, 2. 2 terms. Next, degree of polynomial is 2. Then it is called as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay. Examples for quadratic polynomials are, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, comma, a is not equals to 0. Example in numerical ways, 2x square plus x plus 1 and so on. Okay. Number of terms here 1, 2, 3. If the degree of polynomial is 3, then it is called as cubic polynomial. The general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, comma, a is not equal to 0. Any type of examples you can write x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, here number of terms are 4. Number of terms 4. Okay, these are the examples. This is the important table. If the degree of polynomial is 0, it is called as constant polynomial. These are the examples. Number of terms 1. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is called as linear polynomial. Example for this, ax plus b. This is the general form of linear polynomial. Number of terms 2. If the degree of polynomial is 2, it is called as quadratic polynomial. The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Number of terms here 3. If the degree of polynomial is 3, it is called as cubic polynomial. The general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and a is not equal to 0. Here number of terms is 4. Okay, just observe the table. In the table we can conclude a point, which is number of terms is greater than 1 than the degree of the polynomial. In a polynomial, number of terms is 1 more than the degree of the polynomial. In a given polynomial, number of terms is 1 more than the degree of polynomial. degree కంటే కూడా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ అనేవి ఒకటి ఎక్కువ. చూడండి, డిగ్రీ 0, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ 1. డిగ్రీ 1, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ 2. డిగ్రీ 2, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ 3. డిగ్రీ 3, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ 4. Therefore, the number of terms is 1 more than the degree of the polynomial. This is the important point for your upcoming exams. Okay, and the next one is, this is the classification of polynomials. Next, we have to understand what is a zero of a polynomial. Okay, what is a zero of a polynomial? How we can draw graph, we can solve in the next class. Please subscribe our channel, Teacher Director. Thank you.